When it comes to surveying instruments and their accessories, finding a reliable dealer is essential. In Gurgaon Sector 23, there are several dealers who specialize in providing high-quality survey instrument accessories. These dealers understand the importance of accurate measurements and strive to offer products that meet the needs of surveyors and engineers. One prominent dealer in the area is SCON Design. Known for their expertise in survey instruments and accessories, SCON Design has been serving customers in Gurgaon for many years. They offer a wide range of accessories, including tripods, leveling rods, prisms, and DG-piece equipment, among others. The team at SCON Design is knowledgeable about the latest advancements in surveying technology and can provide guidance on the best products for specific projects. When choosing a dealer for survey instrument accessories, it is important to consider factors such as reliability, product quality, and customer service. SCON Design excels in all these areas. They have built a reputation for delivering top-notch products that are durable and accurate. Their team understands the needs of their customers and strives to provide solutions that meet their specific requirements. In addition to their comprehensive range of survey instrument accessories, SCON Design also offers services such as equipment calibration and maintenance. This ensures that their customers' instruments are always in optimal working condition, providing accurate results on every project. Their commitment to customer satisfaction sets them apart from other dealers in the area. Whether you are a professional surveyor or an engineer working on a construction project, having access to high-quality survey instrument accessories is crucial. With their extensive range of products and commitment to customer service, they are the go-to choice for survey instrument accessories in the area. Finding a trustworthy vendor is crucial when it comes to surveying equipment and its accessories. There are numerous retailers in Sector 23 in Gurgaon who focus on offering high-quality survey equipment accessories. These vendors work hard to provide goods that satisfy the requirements of surveyors and engineers because they recognize the value of precise measurements. SCON Design is one well-known merchant in the region. SCON Design has long served consumers in Gurgaon and is renowned for their knowledge of survey tools and accessories. They provide a comprehensive selection of accessories, including, among others, tripods, leveling rods, prisms, and DG-piece equipment. The SCON Design staff is informed on the most recent developments in surveying technology and can offer advice on the appropriate products for certain projects. It's crucial to take reliability, product quality, and customer service into account when selecting a dealer for survey instrument accessories. All these are areas where SCON Design shines. They have established a reputation for providing